All right, what's good, y'all? So today we're gonna work on get stats again. Um, oh wait, actually that was right. I want this to be like this, except over here. Anyway, so today we got the actual values for tracked down pat, but we now need to actually do the checking. So in update, we set the values, but in tick, we need to actually check them. Interesting that broke over here. Anyway, so where do we change this? Here we are. So when we update tracked files, this is an interface. Update tracked files. We need to check that the timing is right, or check if it has changed. So we need to make another function where it's like, all right, take in, actually, I should only need two of these. Projects, get stats, and then what I want to see is interface as well, but I want to pass in data, so we're looking for this. Right? Oops. So this should be a bool. Or should we pass in a path? I think it should be a path. Because when we do update tracked files, where's update tracked files? We go through file by file. Yeah, so we need to check if the file has been updated against the file. Okay. So we don't need to pass in this. We could just be like, all right, give me the path and give me the old time. Right? It's time, right? Wait, it's over here. Yeah, so it's which pointers time. So give me the old time, right? And we could say if or if path, first of all, if path is null, then we return false. This is check if, check if modified, or check modified status. There we go. That sounds better. So check if folder has been modified. Actually, you know what I wanted to check? I need to make sure that I'm thinking of this in the right way. So for bconfig, the most recent should be updated on the 31st at 11:27, which it is. Okay, cool. That's what I thought. Whoa, why did that resize like that? Check if folder has been modified. Yeah. False. I don't really need to. Okay, so we need to say like time t equals time t new time equals get modified time of the path, right? And then if diff time, did we malloc this? I don't think we did. I don't think we have to free anything. So if diff time between new time and old time, or if not, then we return false because that means it hasn't been modified. Else, oh, we do need the the data structure because we need to actually set it if it has. So give me struct get data, pointer to it. Struct get data. So else, or no, this should really just be, I don't need to say else. So we say data, oh, this is gonna be long. So instead, why don't we just say, give me a path and then a pointer to old time. And then if that and the value of old time, then do nothing. Else, then we change the value of old time. So the value of old time will now equal new time. And then we return true. Bam. All right. So now in update, update tracked files, we can say, all right, so for each one, we check the path first of all, and then we should say if not, get modified, get modified status, or is it check? Check modify, yeah, it's check modified status. Oops, update tracked files. So if check modified status, and we pass in what? Oh, it's not giving me the function thing. Oh, because it's check modified status. No, I should really just stop being lazy and put it up front. 8, 11, delete, update tracked, put it here. 12, damn. Wait, did I? Oh no, the highlight was just messed up already. Okay. So now, if we check, well, no, it's right here. I want to check the check modified status via the path and a pointer to the time object. So it's data tracked paths at the ith index and a pointer, so it's the address of data tracked repo modified time at the ith index, right? So if that's, then we'll just continue, right? So here's the thing. I also need the previous value. Man, that sucks. All right. Because I don't want to check it again. It seems very inefficient, but I feel like I should do the inefficient way again, and that should save me a little bit of time. And then, yeah. So this will ultimately be faster than the entire millisecond I lose by doing this. But it will take more memory, but it also is just a array of integers. Okay. So we'll come here. Actually, I have it over here. So an array of previous tracked values. So now, again, in create, we set the arrays as null, I think. So this should be previous tracked. So this will just change. This will change too. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing here. Wait a minute. Oh, right. Okay. Because we'll just put values in there. It doesn't matter. It's not like strings. Oh, why did I take 3? Data, previous tracked values, and then we'll do the same thing where we set it to null. Right. So that's for untracked. Now we malloc it. So that's tracked repo modified time. This should be previous tracked values, but this is just going to be int Okay. Oh, you know what I didn't do? That's probably why I was showing that. I didn't free these. So these should be here. Oh wait, no. I should just have to free. Oh, I do need to check if it exists. Oops. There we go. Right. Get rid of this. If, or actually, let's if info data check free for modified time, previous tracked values. Oops. And then we'll free exactly that, previous tracked values. Right. Yeah, it should give me what I want. All right. And then did I fill the actual values? I don't think so. Because it has to be done in here. Create tracked files. I don't think we do the values there though. So what we'll do at this point is so for the first time, what will happen in terms of values? So we free it. Right, so if we check the path, wait, where is current value coming from? Oh, I see. We're just setting it up. That doesn't happen until tick. The update doesn't happen until tick. Create untracked files. Overload string. Wait, did I not update them yet? Wait, why did I do that? If create untracked files. Oh, check. Okay. Okay, yeah, so we do update it. Which means I have to be careful about how I do this. Okay, so what we can do is pass in an optional. I forgot how to do optionals. Think I might have an example in MPLib. Actually, or I could just look it up real quick. Optional function arguments in C. You could define some macros to fill the missing arguments you have. And that could instead be. I actually don't know what the inline keyword does. Bro. Definitions are small. Be substituted in the place where the function call happened. Function substitution is totally compiler choice. Oh, I could have just used inline instead of define for my logging thing. Oh, that's good to know. Anyway, what was I doing? Oh yeah, optionals. Without creating all the programming, just provide 2 arguments, and then the second, so this passes null. But in this case, why would you use the variadic parameters? So op value equals arg. This way is not good. Such the arguments, neither you know how many there are. Those things. Oh wait, I don't even need to do this. Because this only happens in tick, so I can just be like, okay, check modified status. Yeah, so I could just be like, okay, what is the type of int? It's an integer. So int init, right? So we would just say, all right, if it's the first time going through it, then I want everything. So this will be and, oh, I guess it would be and, double int, and not init, right? And then in update track files, we just pass in init run, right? That's the one that we zored, right? Or equals whatever. Yes. Okay, where was I at? Here. So now that means the header for this needs to be updated in interface.h. Update. Where's update track files? Oh, here it is. No, it's right. So if it's in it, then we'll just go through regardless of the modified status. So it should really be no. Okay, the reason I want to do this first actually is because I want this to run and update the value of the time parameter because we essentially updated it or checked it now, and I don't want it to run during the next cycle because that would be redundant. Unless it it was actually changed, but okay. That Loki should be it. Okay, what I want to do though, or actually, I guess I gotta do it on the overall. It don't really matter. Check files are logs, blah 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 blah. Cool. What I need to do is be like, okay, fuck, man, I need deletions and insertions because these are tracked files, man. Okay, how much time do I have left? I have 20 minutes. I'm good. So, previous... I don't have a tuple implementation. That would be kind of useful. Let me write down that as my notes, because I want to do that. I don't think I've ever done a tuple, or at least yet. To do. Make a tuple. Linked list, hash map, hash set. Oh, this should be redo. Make generics. I don't need to do this. Or actually, let's move this up here. Found out about underscore generics. Shout out generic. Stable. We can just do that. If I can type. There we go. Okay. So hashtag hash map. Doubly linked list probably first. And then singly linked list, I'm doing that now. But yeah, I should do both. Cool. Okay, I think I'm done. I should do tuple first though, because I think that'll be more fun. Because I've done the other ones. What was I doing before? Oh, right. So when we have previous tracked values. This should be previous added values for tracked. There's probably a significantly better way of naming that, but I could fix it later. That's a later me problem. And then I'll need, previous deleted values tracked, right? So now I want to search under this. Oh, right. It wasn't named that before. Previous tracked values. So this is now going to be previous added values tracked. And then we'll need another one of these for previous deleted. Previous deleted. Added, previous added, copies, previous deleted, previous deleted. Oh, I'm missing a space. I'm missing a space over here too. All right. So now we're gonna need another one of these. And, oh, I also need to change this. Previous added. Right, and then previous deleted. Oops. Info, data, previous deleted equals 0. Right, and then there should be previous tracked. Where's the free? Did I do free already? Destroy. Oh, I did. Okay, cool. All right, so that's that. Now I need to come over here, and this needs to be, what was it? Data added, data added plus equals data previous added values at the ith index. Data deleted plus equals data previous deleted values tracked. All right. It's very verbose, but theoretically that should build, and that should save me a little bit of time. Oh, first tee? First tee? Okay. Let's bring this over here. This can, my pipe wire thing didn't crash, right? All right, cool. Seems to be working just fine now. I don't know why. Look for multi. All right. So let's add get stats. Projects. Ooh. Run. Launch anyway. Where we crash at? What you got for me? What you got for me? All right, so let's print data. Make sure we can access that properly. Yes, we can. Oh, they're null at this point. We never mallocked it. Where should I handle that though? Oh, I see. Feel like I should just malloc it off rip, no? Oh, this is this the initial? This might be the initial. If subtract, or I should say not, then nothing. Not data previous added values for, or deleted values. Or wait, this should be the other way around. Why am I doing an else? Just do this. Oops. Right. What have to continue? Oh. Yeah, that's kind of important. Alrighty. Let's try it again. Wait, let me check that this didn't crash. Okay, cool. I don't know how to replicate that. Why crashing issue I had. Projects. Oh yes. Oh yes. That is a lot faster. But it's also not doing anything. Okay, where are we stuck at? Because I could do this. That still takes 29? Oh, that's what I thought. Uh-oh. Well, it wasn't working in the first place, so. Check status, if check path. If not, check modify status. Let's break at check modify status. Oops. Break at check modified status. I think I might need to load the symbols first. Launch anyway. Break at check modified status. Run. All right. All right, so init is done already? So we are past the end. Oh, I think I know what it is. I never set the values. So this should be oh. I didn't set the okay, I did. I missed a lot of stuff. Oh wait, no, I don't want to close that. I want to close this. Oh, right? Because it's in GDB. Okay, so I need to do a few things. So I need to firstly be like, okay, data tracked at repo m times at the ith index equals get modified time of the current repo, so tracked paths at the ith index, right? But this needs to go in here, I think. Oop. Here, right? So that'll give me that. And then I also need to set the value. So insertions plus equals insertions. Insertion number. Oh, I see. Wait, why don't I? That seems silly. Why do I do it that way? Plus equals insertions. Wait, this seems wrong. You start at 0. It's not static, but this should be equals, I think. Yeah. But then we can say data previous added equals insertions. Oh my gosh. And then this is the same thing, but previous deleted and deletions. Yeah, because we plus equals. Oh, I see. Well, then why did I do it that way? Just confuse them as well. Data added plus equals insertions. This should be in here. We'll see, but I think that should solve my issue, maybe. It's the first time we run through. We'll actually get that populated. No. I think this is long. Okay. Yeah, so it's ending with zeros. So these are just the actual values. But why? It's gotta be. It's gotta be this. So let's make sure that firstly the path is not null. But that's not where that goes. Oh yeah, I actually have to set it in here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so the path is not null. The diff is, I think this is a long, these are longs. Good. New time. Oops. New time and old time. Oh, wait. I had to mess something up. Well, I've been doing that. Okay, so they are the exact same. And that's why it's always returning. Oh, because I'm not changing anything. Okay, just for a test. Oops. What if we came over here, L projects, and then something like big, and we test, and then in test add something. It's still not. That's interesting. Why is the old time the same? Okay, wait, let me, because we can do this. Right. So if I go to cloud to local, and then I touch a new file, this is my new file. Right. Previously, cloud to local was what? August 31st, 11:14. Yes, so this changed. Okay, so I am right in terms of like, it should be updating the modified time. New time is get modified time. Okay, let me make sure my file names are right first of all, just as a sanity check. Update, tracked. How much time do I have left? 1 minute. Okay, I could finish this. Like sanity check, whatever. No, I want get modified time actually. Okay, get modified status, whatever. I want to print this is gonna be ugly, but it doesn't really matter. Oh, get stats, cd dev. All right, question is, can I finish this in the time I have? I have 45 seconds. Come on. No. Oh, path. 30 seconds. All right. Bam, bam, bam. Wait 5 seconds. Bam. Okay. Yeah, so all these are correct, which I thought they would be, but huh. Yeah, I have to figure that out because this is the function that's holding me up. I need that to update, but also that means I messed up my init override because it should be going through because I passed an init. Oh, I see what it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. I set this to be at the top. And my checker is at the bottom. Or somewhere below. So, I should be setting init run. Actually, do I? I do return. Ah. I guess what I could do is be like, okay, int init init previous equals init run. This is silly, but whatever. Yep, there it is. Oop. No. Init run. This should be init previous. Okay, I'm out of time, but I really want to try this. It might crash because it was crashing before. But if it does without me doing anything, then that means I did something right. Boom. There we go. Okay, that's good. Okay, cool. I can figure that out later. And now I know that it's updating on its own.